Picture this: a light, healthy, and incredibly delicious lunch option. A turkey and avocado wrap packed with fresh vegetables, succulent turkey slices, creamy avocado, and a tangy sauce to tie it all together, all wrapped up in a soft tortilla that's just waiting to be bitten into. Mouth-watering yet? First things first, gather all the ingredients. You'll need a large tortilla, 2 ounces of sliced turkey, half an avocado, a handful of fresh spinach, 2 slices of tomato, a slice of red onion, and 2 tablespoons of your preferred sauce. Mayonnaise, mustard, or even a nice vinaigrette work wonderfully. Start off with the tortilla, lay it out flat on a clean surface. This will be the canvas for this culinary masterpiece. Next, arrange the turkey slices evenly over the tortilla. Make sure to spread them out so every bite includes a taste of that juicy turkey. Now it's time for the avocado. Slice the half avocado thinly and arrange it on top of the turkey. The creamy texture of avocado pairs excellently with the turkey, adding a richness that's hard to resist. Following the avocado, add the fresh spinach. This gives the wrap a nice crunch and adds a healthy dose of greens. The tomato and red onion go on next. These add a burst of freshness and a hint of sharpness that balances out the creaminess of the avocado and the richness of the turkey. Finally, drizzle your chosen sauce over everything. This adds a tangy note that ties all the flavors together. Now for the grand finale. Carefully fold the tortilla over the filling, tuck in the sides, and roll it up tightly. And there you have it, a turkey and avocado wrap ready to be devoured. Give it a try. Discover the array of flavors and textures this wrap has to offer. Savory turkey, creamy avocado, fresh veggies, and tangy sauce, all wrapped up in a soft tortilla. It's a symphony of flavors in every bite. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more delicious recipes, hit that subscribe button. Have a favorite dish you'd like to see made? Or perhaps a unique ingredient you'd like to see featured? Feel free to leave a comment below. Remember, cooking is an adventure, so don't be afraid to try new things and explore different flavors. Until next time, happy cooking! And that's a wrap, folks. We hope you enjoyed this step-by-step guide on how to make a delicious turkey and avocado wrap. We've taken you through the entire process, from gathering the ingredients to the final mouth-watering presentation. If you give this recipe a try, we'd love to hear from you. Share your culinary creation on social media and tag us, or let us know how it turned out in the comments below. Did you add a personal touch to your wrap? Maybe a sprinkle of your favorite spice or a different sauce? We're always looking for new and exciting variations to try. Remember, the beauty of cooking lies in experimentation. So don't be shy to mix things up and make this recipe your own. Until our next culinary adventure, stay curious, stay hungry, and above all, enjoy the process. Happy cooking!